Today I'm here to present to you 1316 East Lomita Avenue in the city of Orange. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with brand new floors, a remodeled kitchen, and a great backyard. We are close to Chapman University and less than 10 minutes from AG Stadium and the Honda Center. So let's take a sneak peek and contact me for a showing.